Hey guys, I hope you guys going well. So today I'm gonna show you how to lock a page in Notion, and it's pretty simple. So go to the Notion app and go to the page that you want to lock. At the top right corner, you can see these three dot options. Simply tap on here, and here you can see this lock page option. Simply tap on here. So as you can see, your page is locked. Or if you need to unlock your page, simply go to your page, and here you can see this option. And if you just simply click on here, your page will be unlocked. Or you can also do this by here, simply just tap on this, turn off this option, and your page will be unlocked. So as you can see, your page is unlocked. So that's pretty easy way. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video finds you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion.